Today we take a look at my factory production of milling machine, field test milling basalt. A moment into the slag stone, basalt hardness we can imagine. This rock is hard. Moss hardness 5.7 with high compressive strength, low crushing value, wear resistant, low water absorption, weak conductivity, strong corrosion resistance, strong asphalt adhesion, and other characteristics. So it is often used for railroads and highway transportation of the cornerstone use. Here, the hard basalt cannot bear the milling machine of a milling, instantly broken into pieces. The milling head was unharmed.